In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer browser data to Opera GX. By the end, you'll have your bookmarks and browsing history from another browser available right inside Opera GX, so you can pick up exactly where you left off. Start by opening Opera GX on your computer. Once it's up, look to the left side of the window for the Opera icon. Click that icon to open the main menu. From here, move your mouse over the bookmarks section to expand it. In that list, select Import Bookmarks and Settings. This built-in tool is the quickest and most reliable way to bring your data into Opera GX. No add-ons or downloads required. A small window will appear asking where you want to transfer from. Use the drop-down to choose the browser you've been using, such as Chrome, Edge, or Firefox. If you've exported bookmarks as a file before, you'll also see options related to that, but for most people, picking the browser directly is the simplest path. Next, choose what to bring over. Make sure browsing history and favorites or bookmarks are selected. These cover your visited sites and the saved pages you rely on daily. Keeping both checked gives you a familiar starting point in Opera GX. When you're ready, click Import. The transfer usually takes just a moment. After it finishes, your bookmarks will appear in Opera GX, often in an imported folder within your Bookmarks Manager or on the Bookmarks bar, depending on your setup. Your browsing history will be available in the History view so you can quickly revisit recent pages. If you notice duplicates, you can clean them up later from the Bookmarks Manager. A couple of quick tips as you wrap up. If the import doesn't appear right away, give Opera GX a second and then check the bookmarks area again. And if the other browser is running, closing it can help the importer read everything smoothly. That's it. Your data is now in Opera GX, ready to go.